Welcome, adventure groupies. This is an item I just got for Frankie called the RV Guard. And it is a portable water softener. Yep, you got that right. Portable. And the reason I got this is because I have a water softener in my home that works great. And when you're on the road, you don't know what kind of water quality you're going to get from different campsites. So let's unpackage this and see what it looks like and how easy it is to assemble and use and store and carry. Open the unit. We have the instructions, which I've learned is very useful when doing any project. Comes with a rag, some fittings, quick disconnect couplings, some pipe tape, handle, and the unit. Got a Y connector. Some O-rings. Washers, we'll call them. Pipe tape, O-ring, and your quick disconnect couplings. We'll take a look and see how those are connected later. And an on and off flow control. You also have a hose. And the unit itself. Has an in and out. And the unit is somewhat heavy, but not too heavy. I can't handle it. Let's go ahead and assemble this unit. According to the instructions, the benefits of having a water softener for your rig or even for your home, I've witnessed this at my house, that the water softener does this as well. It softens hard water and removes stains, increases the lifespan of the appliances, improves rough and dry skin, improves water taste and odor, it's anti-scale buildup, increases soap lather, which use less soap, and reduces calcium, magnesium, iron, lead, radium, and other heavy metals. One thing it also does is it makes my wife's hair look great. Without soft water, you get all that, we would call it deposits, and it weighs down the hair. So my wife loves a water softener, and hence that's why we've got the portable water softener. Our home water softener comes with a regeneration timer. In this particular unit, the timer is me. And in the instructions, it says that it should be done every 3 months, or when you start feeling that the water is not soft anymore. And the regeneration process is you fill this tank with 2 26-ounce table salts, like Morton table salts. You pour that in the top, return the cap head, and then you run the unit for 30 minutes to fully clean and dissolve that salt through there. And as you can see, there is an in and an out. The manufacturer recommends that you flush the unit when you first get it for about 4 to 6 minutes to remove anything that might be in there, that chemicals or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and flush it for 4 to 6 minutes. Filling up with water, and here we go. All right, I just flushed the unit as the manufacturer instructions indicated. And then I had to turn it upside down to drain all the water out, so this way we can just travel with it without a full tank, adding more weight to the rig. But when we get to a place, it'll just fill back up once we hook up the hoses. The way I have this plumbing arranged for this water softener is that I have a quick disconnect here that hooks up my filter. I have a pressure regulator that hooks up to my hose, and then my hose goes to a Y, which then would be connected to the RV park faucet. And then I have the opposite side that I could use to hook up the hose to wash whatever or spray something down. So this is how the setup is. And this opposite side also has a quick disconnect to this hose, which would then go to the coach and hook up. This is how the unit looks when it's connected to the coach. And then that hose would go to the water connection. These are quick disconnects. So the unit is separated, I can carry it and store it inside the rig. And there you go. The RV Guard water softener can fit nicely in the bathroom of the coach. Inside this bathroom, I also have 2 rocking chairs and a screen tent. Once we get to a campsite, all the stuff comes out here, and then we have full access of the bathroom. Now you may ask, when we're traveling on the road and we have to use the bathroom, no problem. We move this stuff out of the way, use the bathroom, and then put everything back in. It's no big deal. It fits perfectly there. And the plumbing, fittings and such, and hoses go back into the Pelican case that I have on the back of the unit.